Yeah, thanks, Manny. So much expertise, so many questions, so little time. So first I wanted to give some of you a little bit of time to explain your expertise. So Jim, tell us what the Calculus Roundtable is and why you started it, and a little bit of data on students of color and calculus completion, if you will.
Thank you.
Is that on?
Hello? Hello? Okay. Thank you. Calculus Roundtable is an organization that works with school districts and county offices of ed to open pathways to math and science skills for children of color primarily. We work with San Mateo and Santa Clara County doing data normalization at the administration level, because we believe that, and we also create supplemental classes, but without a connection to the support system to support those classes, they will die on the vine. So we really believe that it takes not only rigor and importance in the instruction, but also in working with the administration to support 21st century learners. So we're really focused on helping build institutions that support 21st century learning. We also work with the San Jose Public Library. We're building a teen digital learning center there, 4,400 square feet in the mezzanine level. We work with students to do that in a cohort that are sort of on the CTE program level to build an architecture program. So they are helping to design the space at the library. So that is what we do for a living. I think working with Pivot, if any of you know Pivot or back in the BASRAC days, we worked mostly with doing systemic school reform. And I saw a lot of programs that were very promising, and those that weren't promising both die because of lack of support, lack of longitudinal data to support whether programs were happening well. So the data is really important as part of the journey. I think one of the data points that we saw that sort of created the name of the Calculus Roundtable, even though we do a lot more than working with calculus, because as we just say here from the data, it starts very early on, is a data point we saw that in the 9 counties in the Bay Area, this was, I guess, 2012 data, but in the 9 counties of the Bay Area, there were less than 100 African Americans enrolled in calculus. So we thought as an organization, boy, if we can get 10 more people, we've made a big dent in what's going on. So part of it is trying to look at that as a bellwether to how well the system is doing in supporting students. We actually think that we start looking at 6th grade and 6th to 9th grade, how to motivate students to work on math together in team efforts. Early middle school boys and girls are very interested in impressing each other, way more than they are impressing their parents or teachers. So we try to build activities that support a trajectory to calculus that begin at 6th grade and build teams of students that are working together on problems. So we think that's a great effort to do.
Great, thank you. Thank you, Jim.